Want to manage your shopping list using Alexa on your Amazon Echo? Here's how you can stay organized with ease. First, simply ask Alexa to add items to your shopping list whenever you remember them. For example, say, Alexa, add toilet paper to my shopping list. Alexa will confirm and add it for you, so you won't forget when you're at the store. If you have an Echo Show device, you can also manage your shopping list virtually. To set up your Echo, you want to plug in your device, open the Alexa app, select Devices, select Plus, then select Add Device, select Amazon Echo. Now select Echo, Echo Dot, Echo Pop, and more. Follow the instructions to set up your device. After it has been set up, just swipe left to check off items or tap on an item to edit it using the on-screen keyboard. You can also add items by tapping the shopping list widget. Besides shopping list, Alexa can create to-do list for you with just your voice. Whether it's a grocery item or task you need to complete, you can easily organize everything by saying, Alexa, add to my to-do list. Now, whether you're adding items for your next grocery run or keeping track of important tasks, Alexa makes it super easy to stay organized. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.